Microsoft Teams, secured by Microsoft Enterprise Mobility and Security, empowers the world's frontline workforce with the tools they need to stay connected and be productive. Fabricam, a fashion retailer, provides its frontline workers with shared devices. Sarah Perez is a frontline worker in Fabricam's women's department. When she arrives at work, she picks up a shared device and starts her day. From the managed home screen, signing in is as easy as any consumer app, but backed with the trusted security of Microsoft Azure Active Directory and Intune. Sarah simply enters her phone number and receives an SMS code to sign into the device and all its applications. She picks a PIN to easily unlock the device throughout her shift. Microsoft Intune now ensures that the apps and settings Sarah needs are provisioned onto the device, so it's ready to go. She starts her day in Microsoft Teams. Teams has been configured with the tools she needs for her role. She can easily chat with colleagues, stay on top of news and company information, keep track of her tasks, and stay up to date on her schedule. Sarah clocks in to start her shift in Teams. Shifts is backed by Fabricam's workforce management and time and attendance systems, so everything is connected in one easy-to-use place. Sarah can also see the tasks she's been assigned for the day. She gets started on updating the new spring display in her department. The attached planogram instructions include some props that she needs to add to the display. Rather than leaving the store floor in search of them, she presses the push-to-talk button on her device to instantly connect with the receiving crew using walkie-talkie and Teams. They locate the items, saving her time and effort, allowing her to start on her task right away. When Sarah completes the display, she seeks an approval from her department manager to confirm that the display was set up correctly. After assigning a title to the request, she types in details, attaches a photo, and sends it off. Sarah's department manager instantly reviews it and updates the card as approved. Later in the day, Sarah receives a comment card for the fantastic service she provided while helping a customer pick out a birthday gift. She wants to share the positive feedback with the manager on shift, but she's not sure who is working today. She types store manager, and shift-aware tags routes her message to the manager on duty. She sends a picture of the comment card. The image is stored in Teams and not on the local device, meaning it is secure and not taking up space on a shared device. And within moments, the manager on duty sends praise for a job well done. Speaking of birthday gifts, Sarah has a birthday of her own coming up, and she wants to take the day off. From shifts within Teams, she can see her upcoming schedule. She has the option to pick up open shifts that need coverage, swap shifts with a coworker, or request time off. She requests time off and sends it to her manager for approval. She clocks out to end her shift. Sarah ends her day by easily signing out of the device. Intune and Microsoft Azure Active Directory clear all of the company data, so it's safe to be handed off to the next associate. Let the birthday planning begin.